Make 3 chains, 1 more chain, so 4 in total, and turn the work. Then make a treble into the next stitch. One chain, skip one and make a treble into the next stitch. Then make a shell of 5 stitches into the hole. So skip 2, 1, 2, into the hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2, 1, 2, and make a treble into the next one. 1, 2. Make a chain, skip 1, 1, and make a treble into the next one. One chain, and make a treble into the last stitch. Make 3 chain and turn your work. Make a shell of 5 stitches into the treble. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 2 chain and then a plain stitch into the third treble of the shell. So 1, 2, 3, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull through the 2 loops, plain stitch. Then make 2 chain and now make a shell of 5 trebles into this treble, this one. Next to the last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a treble into the last stitch. Here we go. 3 shells. Make a chain, turn your work. Make 3 trebles into the middle treble of the shell, so it will be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make a chain and 3 more trebles into the same treble. Two chain and a plain stitch into the previous plain stitch. Two chain, 3 trebles into the middle treble of the shell. 1, 2, 3. 1 chain, 3 more trebles into the same stitch. A plain into the last stitch. Make 1 chain, turn the work and make a plain into the next stitch. Then make a half treble into the next stitch. For half treble you need to do a yarn over, insert your hook into the foundation and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. And now grab the yarn and pull through all loops on the hook. That's a half treble. Next do 2 trebles into the next stitch. 1, 2. Now make 2 double trebles into the hole. For double treble you make a yarn over, then yarn over once more, insert into foundation into the hole, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Now you have 3 loops. Grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops, and again grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops. This is a double treble. Do this once more. 2 yarn overs, 4 loops on the hook, and pull yarn through every 2 loops. Now make 2 trebles into the next stitch. Make a half treble into the next stitch. So yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all 3 loops. Make a plain into the next stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, plain into the plain, two chain, plain into the first treble of the shell, half treble into the next stitch, yarn over, 3 loops through all loops, 2 trebles into the next stitch, two double trebles into the hole, two trebles into the next stitch, one half treble into the next stitch, plain into the next stitch, and make a slip stitch into the last stitch. So insert a hook into the last stitch and pull up a loop, then pull this loop through the loop on the hook. Here you go. Now 2 chains and cut the yarn. Pull out the yarn and pull the loops tightly. So now you have a heart. Make 2 such pieces, but for the second piece you don't need to leave a long tail, it can be short.